The GMC Hummer EV represents a bold and transformative step in the automotive industry, blending the rugged, off-road legacy of the original Hummer with cutting-edge electric vehicle (EV) technology. This vehicle is not just a car, it is a statement, a declaration that sustainability and performance can coexist without compromise. The Hummer EV is a testament to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can achieve while paying homage to its iconic predecessor. It is a vehicle designed for the future, yet it carries the spirit of adventure and capability that has defined the Hummer brand for decades. When the original Hummer was introduced, it was a symbol of power, dominance, and capability. It was a vehicle that could conquer any terrain, from rocky mountainsides to sandy deserts. However, it was also criticized for its inefficiency and environmental impact. The Hummer EV, on the other hand, takes the essence of what made the original Hummer great and reimagines it for a new era. It is a vehicle that retains the toughness and off-road prowess of its predecessor but does so in a way that aligns with the growing demand for sustainable transportation. This is not just an evolution of the Hummer, it is a revolution. At the heart of the GMC Hummer EV is its electric powertrain, which delivers staggering performance figures that would have been unimaginable in a traditional internal combustion engine vehicle. The Hummer EV is powered by General Motors Ultium battery technology, which provides exceptional range, power, and efficiency. With up to 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque, the Hummer EV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. This level of performance is not just impressive for an electric vehicle, it is impressive for any vehicle, period. The Hummer EV proves that electric vehicles can be just as thrilling and capable as their gasoline-powered counterparts, if not more so. One of the most remarkable features of the Hummer EV is its adaptability. It is designed to excel in a wide range of environments, from city streets to rugged off-road trails. The vehicle's advanced four-wheel steering system, known as crab walk, allows the rear wheels to turn up to 10 degrees in the same direction as the front wheels, enabling the Hummer EV to move diagonally. This feature is particularly useful in tight off-road situations, where maneuverability is crucial. Additionally, the Hummer EV is equipped with an adaptive air suspension system that can raise the vehicle by up to 6 inches, providing extra ground clearance when tackling challenging terrain. These features, combined with the vehicle's robust construction and waterproof underbody, make the Hummer EV a true off-road powerhouse. But the Hummer EV is not just about raw power and capability, it is also about innovation and technology. The vehicle is packed with advanced features that enhance both the driving experience and the overall ownership experience. For example, the Hummer EV is equipped with Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driver assistance system, which allows for semi-autonomous driving on compatible highways. This feature not only makes long-distance travel more convenient but also safer, as it uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and GPS to keep the vehicle centered in its lane and maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. Inside the cabin, the Hummer EV offers a futuristic and luxurious environment that is designed to impress. The vehicle features a large infotainment screen that provides access to a wide range of features, including navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, such as leather and metal accents, creating a sense of luxury and sophistication. The Hummer EV also offers ample space for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. One of the most exciting aspects of the Hummer EV is its commitment to sustainability. While the original Hummer was often criticized for its environmental impact, the Hummer EV represents a complete reversal of that narrative. By transitioning to an all-electric powertrain, the Hummer EV eliminates tailpipe emissions, making it a much cleaner and more environmentally friendly option. Additionally, the Hummer EV is designed with sustainability in mind throughout its life cycle, from the materials used in its construction to the energy sources used to power it. For example, the vehicle's Ultium battery is designed to be recyclable, reducing its environmental impact even further. The Hummer EV is also a symbol of the broader shift toward electric vehicles in the automotive industry. As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability continue to grow, more and more consumers are looking for alternatives to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The Hummer EV demonstrates that electric vehicles can be just as capable, powerful, and exciting as their gasoline-powered counterparts, if not more so. It is a vehicle that challenges preconceived notions about electric vehicles and shows that they can be a viable option for a wide range of drivers, from urban commuters to off-road enthusiasts. Of course, the Hummer EV is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles facing electric vehicles is the issue of charging infrastructure. While the Hummer EV offers an impressive range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, the availability of charging stations can still be a concern, particularly in rural or remote areas. However, this is a challenge that is being addressed by both automakers and governments, with significant investments being made to expand the charging network. As the infrastructure continues to improve, the practicality of electric vehicles like the Hummer EV will only increase. Another potential challenge is the cost. The Hummer EV is a premium vehicle, and its price tag reflects that. However, it is worth noting that the cost of electric vehicles is gradually coming down as technology improves and economies of scale are achieved. Additionally, the total cost of ownership for an electric vehicle can be lower than that of a gasoline-powered vehicle, thanks to lower fuel and maintenance costs. Over time, as electric vehicles become more mainstream, it is likely that prices will continue to decrease, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. In conclusion, the GMC Hummer EV is a groundbreaking vehicle that represents the future of the automotive industry. It combines the rugged, off-road capability of the original Hummer with the sustainability and innovation of electric vehicle technology. It is a vehicle that challenges preconceived notions about what an electric vehicle can be, proving that they can be just as powerful, capable, and exciting as traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The Hummer EV is not just a car, it is a statement, a declaration that the future of transportation is electric, and that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, the Hummer EV stands as a shining example of what is possible when innovation, technology, and a commitment to sustainability come together. It is a vehicle that is not just built for the present, but for the future, a future that is cleaner, greener, and more exciting than ever before.